Nice piece. I'm gonna get this cleaned up and start running that new wire harness. It's not gonna run itself. It's not gonna run itself. Tail light harness go in the back. So this will go there and connect it inside. Fuse box. Attached directly to the fuse box.
It's chilly, dude.
If you don't know, you better ask somebody, and Painless make sure you know and don't have to ask.
Dude.
Yeah. I don't know, I didn't realize yet, but they have additional labeling. They have pats on the back for Painless. We had to drill a new hole, and it's about this size. You can get these out of a junkyard off of a Silverado. That'll be a nice grommet, keep the wires from chafing. I can't use the original. Oh, that's a 2 1/4 inch hole. The original hole isn't able to be used because these cars didn't come with this style master cylinder or hydraulic clutch system. And it clips right in. Step 1. Yep. Well, some of it's gonna run. Fuse boxes will mount up right here now. Alright, all that will go up front and under the dash, behind the dash. And this will go to the rear to power the tail lights and fuel pump. So I'll run the rear through this channel, pop out this panel, and I'll be able to route it. There's a hole there that'll pass inside the quarter and pop out back there. We have our custom mounting panel, cut and made, and rib nuts in place to hold it. Something like that. It is plugged in from the back side. That's where it's going to be. Fished it out with a rod. Might as well. That's not a concern. I prefer to have some loom on the rear section, so I reran it. Also cut this to accept the new location of the fuse box. These plug into the rear harness, and then right's right and left's left. Can't really mess that up. This grommet will pass through there, and then fuel pump. Just bouncing around everything. Knock. Like them wide. Lost the sensor but found it. List of what needs to be done before it starts. Yeah.
That right there.
Got a nice new alternator, 105 amp. This should be a 135 or a 130 amp. So this one's a little smaller. It may sit down a little lower. For one thing, it's cleaner. Well, that sun is bouncing off that intercooler. Positive.
We did that right there.
Ignition switch is wired. Yeah, I had one earlier in
Maybe you just sing it for me.
pretty much just got
He
to
said, oh, good.
run some. Everything that we need wired is wired to get the car started. We might want to take the belt off. That'll just slip right away. Fuel pump is priming. Okay. Well, we seem to have a weak battery and starter. So we can get it started up next time we work on it. But it is close. And also finish all the wiring for the headlights and whatnot. Wrap the rest of the exhaust. Get the hood hinges on. Get the hood on. Put the carpet in. Center console. Steering wheel. Wire the dash. Put the new trunk on. Drill holes in it for the spoiler. Put that trunk kit on. What's the strut that keeps it open? Right now, it don't currently stay open on its own. Yeah, I believe one more go at it and we'll have a nice running project.